Hello students, good morning. And now today we are going to study our English grammar. And the first chapter I am going to teach you today is articles. In articles, I am going to tell you how to use articles in the sentence and how to make sentence, how to recognize articles in the sentence and how to put articles between the sentence. So let us see, there are two types of articles. One is definite article and the other is indefinite article. Now, do you know what is definite article and what is indefinite article? Obviously, you might have learnt in the previous classes also, and some of you might not be knowing. So let me tell you, those who don't know, let me tell you. A and N. The letter A and N is called indefinite article. Indefinite article. Indefinite article. And the reason is, so let me turn the camera a little bit like this side, so now you can see it clearly. Okay, yeah. So the letter A and N is called indefinite article, and the reason why this letter is called indefinite article is that it is not fixed in the sentence. Sometimes we write A in the sentence before the noun, as you know that articles are always used before a noun to specify whether the noun is singular or whether it is plural, whether it is definite or whether it is indefinite. So here the letter A and N is not definite in the sentence. It changes with the noun. First of all, to write the indefinite article, you need to check whether the noun is started with the letter whether it is started with the letter vowel or consonant. So in this way you can recognize the noun, and after recognizing the noun you will automatically be able to write A and N by recognizing the noun. So here, whenever the letter A is written, whenever you read in the textbook, sometimes you find A and sometimes in the sentence you find N. Now you need to decide which letter will come first. Which letter will come in front of the noun. So there you can see sometimes A comes and sometimes N comes. Now when A comes and when N comes. Whenever the noun begins with vowel, we write N. So E-double-G, A. This is a noun, and what will be the article before the noun? Now you have to decide what will be the article before the noun, that is A. So it might be A or N. Now you have to decide. First of all, let us check. E is here. E is a vowel, and whenever a noun begins with a vowel letter, then we write N. But sometimes we find some noun that does not start with a vowel, but still we write N before that word. So how are you going to recognize, how are you going to find what will be there in whether there is a vowel or whether you are going to write a vowel or a consonant. So first of all, let us see H-O-N-O-U-R, honor. Now, as I told you before, we write N before a vowel, but here an honor. I have written N honor, that is, I have used N before, though it is starting with a consonant letter. So the word honor is started with a consonant letter, but I have written here N. What is the reason? Now you have to find it. How are you going to check it? So let me tell you a very nice trick. Now, as we are in India right now, and we all know Hindi alphabet, Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, and also we say Swar and Vyanjan here. So, Swar and Vyanjan, whenever the letter, now honor, this word is starting. Let me first of all write Ka, Kha, and so on, and O, A, and so on. I have written Ka, Kha, O, A. Let me adjust it. Okay. See, I have written Ka, Kha. This is called Vyanjan. This is called Vyanjan. And so I was telling you that Ka, Kha is called Vyanjan, and so on, Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha. In this way you might have studied before in nursery, LKG, whatever it is. And O, A is called Swar. Now Ka, Kha is called Vyanjan whenever the letter produces sound of Vyanjan, that is Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha. This type of sound is produced. Then we write let us say a boy. So we write A. Now here boy, B is a letter that starts with the sound Vyanjan, and that's why we write A. So a boy, and the letter is B. When we produce sound, when we pronounce it B-O-Y, boy. So here, bo sound is produced. Bo, that is, it comes in Vyanjan. And whenever the sound produced with Vyanjan, then we write A in place of, in front of a noun. Now, here you will see I have written egg, honor. Two words has been written here. Now, the letter E produces sound from swar. And whenever a sound is produced from the Hindi alphabet, swar, that is we call it swar, then we use N before the noun. Here also your confusion will be clear now. Here I told you before that we use we use indefinite article N in place whenever the word starts with a vowel sound, that is a vowel letter. But here I wrote a consonant also, and here also I wrote N. Now it will be very clear to you, because I told you that whenever the sound produces with swar, we always write N. See here, H-O-N-O-U-R, honor, honor. So it produces a sound of O. It produces sound of O, and as we know that O is swar. O is swar. So we can say that whenever any noun begins with a vowel sound or a consonant sound, doesn't matter, you just check the sound of articles, and then after put it a and o in place of in front of the noun. So in this way we can recognize all the letters, all the nouns whenever it is written a and n. We have to first of all check the letter that begins, the sound that it starts with. Okay, so it might be clear now when a is used and when n is used in the sentence. Once again, let us take an example, another example, an honor. After that, okay, N H-O-U-R, hour. So here also the first letter is H and I have written N. You can check now, H-O-U-R, R. It begins with the sound O. So you can automatically recognize the sentence, the noun, and you can put N in front of the noun. In this way, you can now recognize in the sentence why this a and n, that is called indefinite article, is used while there is a consonant sound and while there is a vowel sound. It will be clear to you now. Thank you. We will continue in next video now. Further, the class is not over, but I will say some more interesting things about consonants and vowels, and also about the articles, determiners. So stay tuned.